Alright, how to build a domain authority without a budget. So many of the business owners, they think you should spend more, like 10k, 20k budget and hire SEO marketers, do SEO, do organic and do the paid. So do the organic SEO, do everything, but a simple way to rank, a simple way to get or increase the domain authority is. So we all know domain authority, it increases via number of days and activity on your domain. So what do you mean by activity? So whether you're publishing a blog article and whether you're getting impressions and clicks. And second way to do increase is paid traffic. So paid traffic pushes users to spend more time on your page. So if somebody spend more time on page, it's like good points to Google, and it will make your blog or whatever the domain increase the domain authority. And second and third one is getting backlinks. So you can get 10 backlinks, 10 good backlinks, and your site will be like 20 plus or 30 plus DA, domain authority. But the thing is, you need to get 10 good backlinks. Keep that in mind. So we need 10 good backlinks. Doesn't matter 100 bad backlinks or 1000 bad backlinks, but 10 good backlinks is enough. So that's how we do it.